The whole channel started because the creator himself was going through a tough time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, was just feeling lost and needed some solid advice.
I think we've all been there.
Right.
Where you're just like drowning in information, but none of it feels like it's really helping.
Yeah, you're just getting more and more confused. He had a background in video editing, and so he decided to use those skills.
So instead of just, wallowing in it, he was like, I'm going to make something productive out of this.
Yeah, exactly.
That's really impressive.
He's basically trained AI to go through books, articles, all sorts of different sources, and really find those nuggets of wisdom that have stood the test of time.
That makes sense.
Yeah, and the response to the channel has been amazing.
I bet. I mean, it sounds like a really valuable resource.
And they appreciated the fact that he was using this AI to try to make advice more trustworthy.
Yeah, absolutely.
So he's expanded the channel now to cover all kinds of different problems.
What kind of things are we talking about?
Oh, everything. Relationships, fears, emotions, all the big stuff.
Wow. So it's really become like a one-stop shop for life advice.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you're interested, definitely check out Phil's Life Solutions on YouTube.
It sounds like it's worth a look.
Yeah, I think so too. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe, like the videos.
Yeah, definitely support the creators.
Exactly. They're out there trying to, make the internet a better place, and share the channel with your friends, spread the good word.
I like it.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.